Let's learn how to contact Snapchat customer support. If you want to send a message to support because you need help with a problem and don't know how, after watching this video, you'll know how to do it. What you need to know is that the process is the same on both iPhone and Android. The first thing you need to do is open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you've opened Snapchat, make sure you are logged into the correct account. When Snapchat is open, you will be on the camera screen, and from there you need to click on your profile icon. This icon is located in the top left corner of the screen. After clicking on it, your profile page will open. On this page, you need to click on the settings option, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on that, a page with many options will open, but you only need one of them. The option you need is I need help, which you will find when you scroll down to the support section. Once you've found it, click on that option, and a page with more options will open. On this page, scroll down a bit and click on the Contact Us button. After clicking on that, a page with several options will open, and you need to click on the option I need help with a Snapchat feature or something else that you need. After clicking on that, more options will appear, from which you need to select Settings. After clicking on that, 3 options will appear, and you need to click on Other. After clicking on that, 3 fields will appear that you need to fill out: username, email, and then describe the problem you are having in the 3rd field. After writing it down, click on the Submit option, and that's it. They will resolve your problem in a few days or send you an email. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.